Okay, sa next part, we have the total sum of squares or yung SST. SST, so ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Paano siya babasahin? Ang tawag dito again is summation or ang tawag sa symbol na yan is sigma. Okay, sa summation of mean squared minus summation of mean squared divided by population. Yung big letter N is population. So, what is the summation of x squared? Lahat ng, ito, di ba x squared? Magkaiba yung x squared. Dito sa may x, tapos nakalabas yung 2. Dito sa may x squared, ibig sabihin, ito yung value natin doon sa may group A, B, and C na naka-squared. Isulat niya natin. Teka lang. Ayan. Sulat lang natin dito. Yung group A, B, and C. Summation 2, 3. Tapos, ilagay natin yung value. Ang value nito ay, o yung total, 60. 1,726 and then summation x sub 3 squared is equal to 640. So, ito yung summary. Gagamitin natin siya kaya kailangan nakasulat. So, balik tayo dito. Okay. Yung x squared, again, ito siya. Ito, yung may squared na group A, B, and C, yung may squared. So, ito siya. So, we have 1,068 plus 1,726 plus 640. And then, we have the operation subtraction. And then, dito, sa part na to, yung value ng x, yung hindi siya naka-squared, yun yung 82 plus 108 plus 60. And then, we have squared sa taas, copy lang. Divided by the population, we have 21. Okay, katulad nung nasa summary natin kanina, sample yung 77. Kapag population, big letter N, 21. So, 21 yung gagamitin natin. Kapag iniran mo siya sa may calculator, ang magiging sagot niya ay 4,578. Okay, that is the value of our SST. So, sulat ulit natin sa may gilid. SST is equal to 4,578. And then, the next na hahanapin is between sum of squares. So, SSB. Between, lagyan natin sa gilid. Between sum of squared. Okay. The sum of the squares between the values groups can be found by taking the mean of each group. So, we have the formula for SSB. Summation of summation mean squared over sample minus summation of total of mean squared over population. So, yun yung base dito. Kapag nilagay natin yung data, yung x natin, wala siyang squared. So, ang value ng x natin ay yung nasa unahan. Wala siyang squared. 82, 108, and 60. Yun yung ilalagay natin ngayon dito. Since meron tayong squared dito, meron tayong squared dito. And the value of n, yung sample, ay 7. So, lahat yung tatlong group A, group B, and group C, lahat sila ay may 7 na sample. Okay, pag nilagay natin yan, okay na siya. Okay, dito sa part na to, total of mean. Ang total of mean natin ay ilan? Total of mean. Hindi ko sinulat pala. Okay, the total of mean is 250. Yun, galing siya dun sa data natin kanina. Ito. Ayan. Ito siya. Yung total ng x sub 1, x sub 2 plus x sub 3 is equal to 250. So, sulat lang natin siya. Ayan, 250, copy yung squared sa taas, over yung n natin, which is the population, 21. And then again, pag niran natin siya sa calculator, the total of SSB is 165. Okay, SSB is equal to 165. Next. Okay, next is within sum of squares. So, dito gagamitin natin yung data natin for Group A, Group B, and Group C. To obtain the within sum of squares, we could find the sum of squares of each group as follows. Okay, for Group A, SS yung tawag natin for sum of squares. Ito ay within na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa may between. Ang within natin ay for Group A. Ulat natin A. SS, yung symbol. Okay, paano siya babasahin? Summation of mean squared minus summation of mean squared over sample. Okay, what is the value for Group A? Ang Group A, meron tayong 2, mean squared. Ang mean squared, ito. Ang mean squared ng A ay 1,068. Kaya ang nakalagay dito is 1,068. Minus, what is the value of mean? Wala siyang squared. Ang value ng mean natin is 82 from Group A. Kaya ang nakalagay ay 82. Then, copy the other part of the formula. We have 2 over Ni sample. The value of sample for Group 1 is 7. Okay, and then pag niran natin siya sa my calculator, value of SS for Group 1 is equal to 107.4. Sulat ulit natin siya. SS for Group A is equal to 107.4. Okay, next. Group B. Same process same process sa value ng x squared. Group B na tayo. So, Group B, ang value ng may squared ay 1,726. Ang value ng mean na walang squared is 108. Kaya meron tayong 1,726 minus 108 squared over 7. And then, the value we have is 59.7. Sulat ulit natin siya. B, SS is equal to 59.7. Next. For Group C. Okay, same process. Okay, ang Group C natin, ang may squared na mean ay 640. Yung walang squared ay 60. So, we have 640 minus 60 squared over 7. Kapag niran sa calculator, we have 125.7. So, sulat natin, si Group C, SS niya ay 125.7.